Hi. I hope this is working. This is take three. I don't know. I feel like a blonde today. Well, oh wow. I was born blonde, strawberry blonde. This is Lana Lisa Williams, aka Survival Woman. Thanks for joining me. It is the 19th of November on a Saturday, 2022, just a few days before Thanksgiving. And I had quite the last busy 2 days because somebody put sugar in my tank. Well, actually, they put sugar into the line that goes to my gas tank and made my life very difficult. And just to make a long story short, thank you to the Firestone guys at the Firestone Company in Bakersfield on Stein Road near White Lane. They saved my car because almost at closing time when I had to have my car towed there, uh, they showed me that sugar had been stuffed into it and said, well, maybe we'll try to save it. Maybe it'll die because if sugar gets into a gas tank and it'll go through the whole engine and just your car will be totaled. It'll be toast. You'll have to get a new car no matter what the value of the car is. So I had a bad Thursday night thinking about that, but I prayed and Jesus does take care of me. And so he did. Anyway, so how did I find out I had sugar in my tank? I needed gas. I had very little gas. I went to Sam's Club. Started to put gas in my tank and the gas came right back out at me. And then the worker tried and the gas came back out at him. Something was clogging it up. So I had the car towed. Thanks to Geico Insurance, they towed for free to the nearest Firestone car repair shop in Bakersfield near Sam's Club. And that's how I found out because the guys looked at the gas tank and said, "Yep, here's sugar." They had it on their fingers. They showed it to me. Oh, who would guess? TikTok is making challenges for kids to do dumb things like that. That should be and probably is a felony. You don't want to destroy someone's car by putting sugar into it. You could cause them to have an accident. You could actually take their life. So I used to teach English in China. I did that for 2 years and I look like a teacher today. Yeah. English teacher. Delete TikTok from your phones. It's sponsored by the Communist Party of China. It collects personal information that can be used and will be used against you. And it is dangerous. And people have died taking TikTok challenges. They've died. Children have died. So parents, delete TikTok from your kids' smartphones. And if they don't like it, just take away the smartphone. You know what? They can live without them. All right. I could live without mine. I'd rather live without mine sometimes. Really. I want my husband out of prison. My husband's in prison. I had to tell him the story and he got all worried because he feels so bad that he can't do anything from prison, but he's getting out in 6 months or less. So that's great. And he gives me advice and he prays for me and that helps a lot. So I told him this whole dramatic story, my pre-Thanksgiving adventure story of having some kid in the neighborhood come put sugar into my gas tank or they tried to, they dumped a whole bunch in. So anyway, when I went to pick up the car on Friday, after talking to the guys, the Firestone mechanics, shout out to them again, they told me they were able to save my car because somebody stuffed a whole bunch of sugar in very quickly and it got caught in the filter that was on the line that goes from the gas cap down into the gas tank. Shout out to Chevy. They actually did something right. Although I figured my car was a lemon, they actually did something right by putting that filter into the line, and it saved my car from being destroyed by sugar stuck into the gas input valve. Yeah, that sounds more technical. So ended up that Firestone let me open a charge card with $1,200 available credit, charged me only $95 to save my car, clean out all that sugar, and gave me a bottle of stuff that would clean out my tank. So I drove directly to Sam's Club to get gas. I put the bottle of cleaning stuff for my tank in there just in case any sugar got in, then filled up my tank with gas, and I am not having any problems with my car. I drove it all around yesterday looking for a security system to install. So I've got my Blink security system all set up. I'm going to go use some alien shield to stick it up on the garage above my car, and I will have alerts if any human approaches my car, and I can say, "Step away from the car. You're on video." That'll be fun. So anybody in my neighborhood who wants to continue doing this, you're going to be caught. And I hope you get charged with a felony because wrecking a $30,000 car is not a minor crime. It is a felony. Okay, go look it up. This is Lana Lisa Williams talking about TikTok challenges, felonies, sugar in car gas tanks right before Thanksgiving. Who would have figured? And my husband's in prison, but I don't know, look to the light a little. I look better in the light, maybe. I don't know. There's a shadow from the phone on me. Take off the glasses. I don't look any smarter without them. Just saying, watch out what your kids are doing. And kids, dump TikTok. Say tick off TikTok. TikTok, tick off, tick off, tick off. Let's all say that. Let's get rid of it. Let's make it yesterday's story. Let's make it a bad thing that it is and get on with their lives and stop hurting people. This is Lana Lisa Williams. Thank you. Bye.